Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Vapes Dual Intake RTA by Augvape. The Augvape and Vapes Intake Dual is version 2 of the original. This version is a dual coil RTA instead of a single coil. The kit comes in a small, sturdy cardboard box. Inside, the contents include a user's manual, a spare 5.8 milliliter bubble glass tube, spare O-rings, cotton, 2 pre-made fused Clapton coils, 4 extra grub screws, an Allen key, a coil leg cutting tool, and the Intake Dual RTA. The Intake Dual is top fill, top airflow controlled with a postless style deck. The diameter is 26 millimeters. It can be disassembled into 6 main parts for cleaning. 4 deck holes creates the option for a single or a dual coil build. It has 2 side airflow channels and 2 deep juice wells. To get started, loosen the grub screws. Add your coil or coils and tighten the screws. Fire the coils a few times to work out the kinks. Once the coils have cooled down, add the cotton wicks. Snip the ends of the cotton wicks. Tuck the wicks down into the juice wells. Prime the wicks with e-liquid and retest the connection. Insert the body over the deck and screw it on tightly. Unscrew the top cap with a light press down and a half turn. Fill with the e-liquid through one of the 2 fill slots. Once full to the top, securely reattach the top cap. Attach to your favorite device and you're ready to vape. The Intake Dual performs great. You can close the airflow ring almost all the way for a very restrictive hit or open it up for a fuller hit. I leave it wide open and I feel that I get better flavor that way. I love the large e-liquid capacity in a medium-sized tank. The straight glass is advertised as holding 4.2 milliliters, but it can actually hold around 5. And the bubble glass at 5.8 holds over 6.5 milliliters. I really like that the kit includes coils, cotton, and an Allen key. First-time RTA vapors may not have these supplies, so I wish it was standard in all kits. The coil leg cutting tool is also really nice to have on hand. My only minor con is that for me, the deck seemed a little tight for adding 2 3mm coils. They do perform great once in place. Overall, a great RTA designed by 2 pros in the vaping industry. The Augvape and Vapes Intake Dual RTA currently runs in the $30 to $35 range, and it comes in 4 colors to choose from. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.